Can an odor-free cream stand
Jenny.
up to your back pain?
I don't have hiccups.
Natural strength and odor-free.
That's okay.
Arthritis pain stops.
Count to
You can't do
8 to
anything.
10.
No.
Just 8 to 10. It's only two numbers.
Brand Source.
No.
We're your neighborhood appliance, electronic, and
Leave me
home
alone.
furnishings expert.
You're gonna show me good old burp.
I can't.
Okay, here. You want another beer?
They come when they
Here,
go.
let me choose you another beer.
No, you
Look, I got
made me.
Budweiser. Oh, I love you. Yeah, I do. I'll rub your right spots.
600. No, Frank is no S.
No hiccups?
Vanessa, your turn.
They're gonna be a hiccup, Mom.
So,
Look at me when you do it. Come on, you gotta do a good one.
no, I can't do good ones. They just come when they go. Leave me alone.
No, I love you.
No, you don't. Or you won't be videoing it.
But you'll laugh about it in the morning.
3 wide.
Yeah, when you put it on YouTube and stuff. She tells me I'm a hiccup and slut or something.
Huh?
What?
Don't. Hey, it's YouTube. Don't say that kind of stuff. You're hiding your face anyways. So no, you're the masked hiccuper.
I'm the Hiccup Master.
There you go. That's what I'm talking about.
Shut up.
I see
I
another.
can't help it. I can't help
Unmasked.
it. I'm
Unmasked.
drunk and I have the hiccups.
Unmasked.
Hey, man, we got you some. You what? Johnny, did you enjoy the conversation?